So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 14th of September. Now let's just have a look where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price breakdown from this 1160 here down towards the 200 400 period average, held support, broke back through 1160, saw this rally to the upside up towards that 1190. Was it 1190? I think it's towards that 112 actually. I'll double check that. Yeah, so we headed up towards this 112. Didn't quite get towards the 112.15. We've had this pullback, so we'll see whether we do have that continued, but we do maintain a continued bullish stance here on the US dollar Japanese yen and see a true test of that 12.15. If we are successful in breaking above the 12.15, the very next level of note here to the upside. Our moves up towards that 12.52, and if there is sufficient volatility in the market, may even see that 12.77 come into focus here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If, however, we do fail to have this continued bullish buy side continuation, possibly may just see a test of that 1160, failure to hold support in around 1160, looking for that area of confluence in around 200 and 400 period average before looking for the horizontal level of the 111 and possibly even that 1073 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts, see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, more recently we can see we found support in around the 200 period moving average. At this rally to the upside, tested the 1073, but we did break through it. We did eventually hold support at that 1073 with that a confluence of the 400 period moving average. More recently we can see over the past couple of days we've had that bullish buy side momentum coming to the market. Yesterday we did have a pretty strong day in terms of open to close range, and the fact that we did close near our highs from the price action yesterday on the US dollar Japanese yen. We've had this rally so far rejected, so we may just see a bit of a pullback before seeing this continuation of the trend that we've developed over the past couple of days here on the US dollar Japanese yen for a true test of that 12.15, previously in a high from which we did see a bit of a pullback down towards that 109.80. If we are successful and beyond that from a daily chart perspective, we're looking for a move up towards that 113.04 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.